Why set up parental controls on a router?
Parental controls on your Wi-Fi router help protect children online. They allow you to filter inappropriate content, block specific websites, set time limits, and monitor internet usage for every device in your home. Setting up controls directly on your router provides network-wide protection, ensuring all connected devices are covered, even those you might not supervise closely.
How do I access my router's settings?
To begin, you'll need to access your router's settings through a web browser. Open a browser and type in your router's IP address, often something like 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Enter your login details, usually found on a label on the router. If you haven't changed the default username and password, look up your router model's defaults online.
Where are parental controls located?
Parental controls are typically found in your router's administration interface. Look for sections labeled Parental Controls, Access Restrictions, or Security. Some routers offer guided setup wizards for these features. If you're unsure, check your router's user manual or search its online support documentation for specific instructions.
How do I set up basic filters and blocks?
To set up filters, you can block specific keywords, websites, or entire categories. Enter websites you wish to block, or choose preset content filters such as social media or adult content. Many routers allow you to apply these settings to individual devices or to all devices on the network. Remember to save your settings before exiting the page.
Can I limit internet time for kids?
Yes, many routers let you set daily schedules for internet access. You can specify which devices are allowed online at certain times, like turning off Wi-Fi during bedtime or homework hours. These settings help encourage healthy screen habits and ensure children disconnect when needed.
What if my router lacks parental controls?
If your router doesn't have built-in parental controls, you still have options. Consider upgrading to a newer router or installing third-party firmware, if supported, which often adds additional features. Alternatively, use parental control apps or security software on individual devices to supplement protections.
Best practices for parental controls.
Regularly review and adjust your settings as your child's needs change. Talk openly with your children about safe internet habits, explaining why controls are in place. Stay informed about new online threats, and periodically check your router's firmware for updates to keep security features up to date.